security review. We are here at Toshiba stand at Intersec, and we're going to talk about their products that they're showcasing. Thank you for speaking to us.
Well, at our booth in Intersec, we are showing the latest innovations on the hard disk drive for the surveillance, for the NAS, and for the enterprise systems. It's ever higher capacities, it's a dedicated functionality for the different applications. But we do not just want to show the hard disk drives as a dead sample, because the hard disk drive always works in a complex system. And we want to show in a live demo case, for your benefit, how our hard disk drives works in these complex systems. For this, we have gathered with our valued partners. They have donated equipment. We have installed our hard disk drives, so we can show the hard disk drive in a Vanguard network video recorder. This is the dedicated S300 Pro new surveillance hard disk drive, optimized for surveillance applications with heavy AI workloads. Also, we have partnered with QNAP, a NAS supplier, and we have installed our dedicated NAS drives in a QNAP box, where we can demonstrate that even hard disk drives which are considered to be slow, used in the right way with the right network interface, have significant performance. So it's important here to mention that with just 4 hard disk drives, we can show 1 gigabyte per second of performance, but this needs to be supported by a 10 gigabit Ethernet interface, which actually most of the people don't have yet. So our advice is work on your network and use hard disk drives there fast enough. On the top end, we have, together with our partner Promise, we have used their new 60-bay JBOD, equipped it with 60 hard disk drives of 18 terabyte each, giving us a petabyte of storage, very reliably operated. And here on Intersec show, we are showing the live performance of a hard disk drive, scaling of 1 hard disk drive, 4, 12, 24, 64 hard disk drives, ranging up in the many gigabyte per second performance, which is okay for cloud applications, for heavy central video storages, let's say airports, stadiums, and so on. What we have also done is, this here is more like a local installation. Yeah, we can show 1 server, we can show 1 JBOD, still impressive performance. But if this was a real reference application, we would need more servers, higher network speeds, more complex equipment. We all have this in our central application lab in Düsseldorf in Germany, and we have a live demo to Intersec where we can show a complex network setup with block storages operated from many clients and many operators in a live demo in our lab in Düsseldorf.
Can you also tell us about the BYODC program that you run?
Of course. This build your own data center approach is basically, we want to make sure that everyone is using Toshiba hard disk drives, is happy with the Toshiba hard disk drives. I mean, regardless where you bought them, regardless how you operate them. And hard disk drives are components that goes into larger systems, and we want to support our customers to set up in the right way. To set up in the right way to be happy with the Toshiba hard disk drives. So we are building reference architectures, we are doing evaluations, we are launching white papers, we are bringing even our evaluation stuff to the show. So even if a customer, if you would have a question right at the show, we probably can tell you something or do a quick evaluation of performance or something. And if you missed the show, then just contact us, give us your questions, we can evaluate it for you. We can help you to operate the Toshiba hard disk drives in the best possible way.
Thank you for speaking to us. Nice having you with us today.
My pleasure. Thank you very much.